Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. Well, today we're going to be making one of my absolutely favorites, meatloaf, but we're going to make meatloaf in the air fryer, and we're going to make it for keto. And if you follow me along, you'll be fine. And then towards the end, I made up the sauce to go on top of the meatloaf. I forget where I got the recipe from, but I'll have all the directions over the timeline, and I'll be talking over the timeline as I'm putting all this together. And we're going to be using pork rind for a breadcrumb substitute. And yeah, so anyways, without further ado, let's go right into the recipe, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, guys. So let's get started. For this particular recipe, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, and we're using 2080 ground chuck. It's regular ground chuck. At the end of the day, you get what you can afford, and you need 1 egg, room temperature. Save the mess cleanup, I dumped everything into 1 pan. Over here I'm putting 1 tablespoon of milk. And it could be half an hour cream or even sour cream if you prefer. And then I have 1 or 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, if I can say Worcestershire properly. Now to give it some added flavor, I added a little bit of chopped onions and chopped peppers. These are the frozen ones that I had on hand. And then the company that I'm using is Pork King pork rind, and it's seasoned pork rind. I get this off of Amazon. It was not that expensive. I used about a cup of it. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. I get the shredded kind, but preferably I would have used the grated kind, but I didn't have any on hand. And then over here I have a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, again, everything all the taste. And then what I did here was I mixed it up with my thumb or my finger, and then I dumped everything all into the meatloaf bowl to get it ready to mix. Once I had the meatloaf all mixed in a bowl, I put it in the loaf pan in one of those throwaways, and then I ended up spreading it out like a meatloaf. Pretty easy peasy. So now that we get all that jibber jabber recipe amounts out of the way, why don't we just go right into the actual making of the meatloaf. And from this point on, you're just going to have music until I come back at the end of the video. And again, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Well, meatloaf is done, as you can see in the video. What I ended up doing was I ended up cooking some bacon, and I ended up cooking some hard-boiled egg to have it with the side dish. This came out absolutely fantastic and better than what I expected. But anyways, again, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And be watching for some more amazing video recipes that I'll be putting up from time to time. And these are old videos that I've done, and I'm just remaking them because the first time I made them, I didn't care for how they came out. Again, thanks for watching.